Okay, so these are the switches up close. I can see they are north facing. There is a Drunkdeer logo on the back. There's the slot for the cable. On the back we have the stand adjustments, and there's of course a knob. You can control music and other things with it. So the keycaps are pretty good. I really like the quality of them. There are ABS keycaps, but they feel the texture is very nice. It's smooth, but kind of, it feels premium. And with the switches they sound very nice, very folky, I think.